Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Today we're discussing Uber's stock price and how Uber has been dropping in stock price tremendously. So please thumbs up the video to help support. And also if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker, there's a brand new company that is helping drivers sign up for a new insurance company that is specifically for rideshare drivers and gig workers. Could save you tons of money. When you get a free quote, they're gonna send you a $20 Visa gift card. And if you sign up for a free membership, which is nationwide, they're gonna pay you $5. Takes a couple minutes, might as well do it. Why is Uber down 7.8% since last earnings report? So if you've been following along, first of all, Uber's head of rides in the US and Canada just quit. And this comes at a time where Uber's stock price is down 42% since the beginning of the year. Uber's IPO price was $45 and now it's currently sitting at $23 and some change. And people are saying that, Uber could potentially be going out of business. You might not be able to order an Uber ride anymore. Why? Because they're not paying drivers very well. They just ended their fuel surcharge program for delivery drivers. So Uber Eats is probably going down the wazoo. Uber drivers are quitting left and right because gas prices are too dang high, and Uber refuses to pay drivers more than it's 55 cents per ride, which is absolutely horrendous. Imagine being an Uber driver driving 60 miles to the airport. Yes, it happens. 70 miles to the airport. You gotta drive back. Okay, that's 140 miles in your car, and Uber go, oh, here's 55 cents. They're paying you 2/4 extra? Come on, brother. Listen to this. Why is Yahoo published this article, why is Uber down 7.8% since last earnings report? It has been about a month since the last earnings report for Uber Technologies. Uber has lost about 7.8% in that time frame, underperforming the S&P 500. So if you've been investing in Uber stock, you've lost tons of money. Quite honestly, I'd probably rather be buying into Dogecoin or Shiba Inu coins than Uber stock. Will the recent negative trend continue leading up to its next earnings release, or is Uber due for a breakout? Before we dive into how investors and analysts have reacted as of late, let's take a quick look, blah, blah, blah. That's Uber. So Uber's CEO, he's basically saying that the company is recession resistant and sees no job cuts. Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi said the company is recession resistant and doesn't see a need for job cuts, even as market volatility and the prospect of a global recession loom over technology companies. Khosrowshahi said this, he said, the signal on the street is things are really strong and the spend on services continue to be quite robust. Wow, and drivers are literally striking across the nation, and Khosrowshahi says, as we see our sessions increasing, demand increasing, and as we see supply increasing, essentially the marketplace will start to come into a more balance. You'll see less surge and you should see prices moderate. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that most drivers are quitting because they're not getting paid enough. And I'm pretty sure Uber is struggling to find new drivers. So where does that add up? Anyways, that's the update for today. Let me know your thoughts on all this mess, chaos, and in some cases, just travesties. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.